Good morning, students. Welcome to history class. And today we will read chapter number 1, that is early humans. In this chapter, we will learn about the evolution of mankind, how the man evolved first on this planet Earth. Many years ago, early human beings used to live like animals. They roamed from one place to another on their foot. They did not know how to build a house, and therefore they used to live in the caves and rock shelters. They ate fruits that grew in the forest. They hunted animals and ate their meat raw because they did not know how to cook it. They lived like nomadic people, and moved from one place to another in search of food, water, and shelter. They covered their bodies with leaves, barks of trees, and the skin of animals. These prehistoric humans from whom we have evolved are called hominids. Studies have shown that the hominids lived on the earth about 4 million years ago. Hominids continued to evolve and they developed their unique characteristics. Their brain capacity increased, and approximately 2.3 million years ago, they began to make and use simple tools. And by a million years ago, some hominid species began to migrate out of Africa into Eurasia, where they began to make other advances like controlling fire. Now let's learn about Stone Age. The Stone Age is a period when early humans used tools and weapons made of stones. And the Stone Ages divided into 3 periods, that is Old Stone Age, known as Paleolithic Age. This lasted from the first use of stones till the end of the last ice age. Next, the Middle Stone Age. This is the second age, that is called Mesolithic Age, that lasted from the end of the last ice age till the beginning of farming. Then the New Stone Age, known as Neolithic Age, that lasted from the beginning of the farming till the first use of metal in the Copper Age or Chalcolithic Age. Then comes Paleolithic Age. During the Paleolithic Age, man used to hunt and gather their food. This meant that their diet was varied because they used to eat different kind of food. Their food could include anything like meat from animals or fish, fruits, wild vegetables, insect, nuts, and legumes. And during the Paleolithic Age, tools were developed that made it easier for men to survive. It makes a man more easy to do their work with the help of these tools and weapons. Now these tools include hand axes, stone-tipped spears, harpoons, and bows and arrows. Animals such as dogs are believed to have been the first domesticated by the early humans during the Paleolithic Age. And about the discovery of fire, we'll read in our next video. Till then, goodbye.